Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Um, I want a video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to share with you the basic things you need to know about the software for you to be able to answer a lot of questions that they might ask you inside your what do you call it, inside your project defense while you are doing your defense. So the basic things you need to know. The first thing you need to know is that you need to know what page are you in currently. In what page are you? But before then, let's open our codes so that we should see everything inside our codes. We should see if it is reflecting in our interface. This is our interface, and this is our codes. Let me open our codes. uh if you want to open the codes, let me close it so that I will open it again for easy access. This is Sublime text editor, so you click on it and open it. So after you open the Sublime text editor, you come to file, then go to open folder. So if you go to open folder, you go to local disk, you understand, then go to XAMPP, then navigate to htdocs, then look for the folder of your software. The folder of our software is that's doctor's appointment system. So you see, I've opened it successfully. So this is the folder of our software. So once you run the software, it will load into index.php or index.html. Anyone available, it will automatically load in it. So this is our index.php. Sorry, index.html. So you see, these are our codes. These are our codes. This is admin page folder, admin folder, doctors folder, patient folder, screenshots, and what have you. So these are our pages. So now our page will automatically load into what? Into index.html. So let's go through index.html. We have edoc slash udus clinic, and this is avoid hazards, delay, and what have you. So let me just try changing it. So you see, this is our interface. We say edocs. So they may ask you to change it maybe to something else. Let me just try changing it and see. Let me just change it to maybe Usman Danfodio. So you see, this is Udus Clinic now. But once I refresh, Control R is refresh, or you click on this. Let me just click on this for easy identification. You see, it has changed to Osmano Danfodio Clinic, blah, blah, blah. So you can change this. Whatever you see there, you can simply change it. This is eDoc. You can change it to maybe, let me just say eDoctor. It's just an example. You see, I'm refreshing. It's refreshing. It's loaded. It is still loading. Oh yeah, I don't know why it's still loading. You see, it has changed to eDoctor. So the next thing is login. I'm not taking you through how you will use the system. I'm just taking you through how you can change some things inside the what do you call it, inside the software. These are the basic things they may ask you. So this is the login page. So you see, how am I going to know what page am I inside my source codes, inside my source codes? So we are in login.php because it shows that slash login.php. So now I will navigate to login.php. Where is my login.php? This is my login.php. So you see, these are my codes, these are my codes, these are my backend codes. You see, these are my codes, these are my codes. So you see, welcome back. This is welcome back, and this is welcome back again. You can change it to maybe let me just change it to welcome Mariam. So you see, if I refresh, you see it has automatically changed to welcome Mariam. They can ask you to, so whatever you want to change, you see it here. These are that, this and that, this and that, password, email them. Maybe they will say we change this to username. Username. You see continuously. That's the basic things. These are the basic things you need to know. If you want to change anything, maybe let me just log in as let me log in as an admin. Uh, admin at edoc. So you see, I've just logged in as an admin. You see, this is administrator, this and that. So whatever you want to change here, you can change the name, you can change the administrator. This one was picked from the database, so we cannot change this. This one is current date. Today's date is 19th, what do you call it? 19th September, oh, sorry, 19th December 2023. So this and that. So these are the interface. So if I want to know what is the in my source code, where is the location of this page? So you see now it says das slash admin slash index.php. So now I will have to go to admin folder first. This is my admin folder. So inside admin folder, then I will go to what? Index.php. This is my index.php. So whatever I want to change now, I will change it inside what? Index.php. So these are this and that, this and that, um, this and that. What do you call it? The dashboard, appointments, patients. So you see, these are. Let me just change something a little bit. Something. What am I going to change? So let me just, so you see, this is today's date. This is the function that will automatically display today's date. So this is today's date. Um, all the queries, sometimes all the queries are fetched from the database and what have you. So I just want to see something that I will change that will reflect everything there. Yeah. So here's quick access to upcoming session that's scheduled until 7 days. You see, where is it? You see, they said here is the quick access upcoming appointment until 7 days. More details available in appointment section. So you see, this is the codes for that. You can change it to maybe, let me just change it to 15 working days. So then after I wrote it, then I will what do you call it? I will refresh. So you see now, if I refresh here, let me refresh. If I refresh, this 7 days will change to 15 working days automatically. Let me just refresh. Okay, this is the thing I have just changed. This is what I have changed. You see, it has changed to 15 working days and removed many features and what have you. So this is it. Let me change it to 7 days. 7 days. So you see, now you see it has changed to 15 7 days. Yeah, sorry, it has changed to 7 days. So these are those things you basically need to know. These are those things you basically need to know. Then the most important function you need to know. You see this issue of sending SMS, sending automatic SMS. You see, once I click, you understand? Once I click, you see it's loading. it is going to send SMS notification to everyone that is in the system. So you need to know this function. It is very important. The function is where. So if you want to know what the location of this function, the first thing you should do is to hover over the page, over the button. If you hover over the button and you come to the what do you call it, down left down side of your this thing, left down side of your page, that is this place where I'm showing my mouse. So if you keep seeing it, you are going to see the page of the what do you call it, the page that will automatically redirect. So you see it's inside does admin notification.php. So I have to navigate to admin slash notification.php. This is my admin slash notification.php, and this is my codes for sending the SMS. You see it's, you see these are my codes for sending the SMS. So these are my codes. Or if I want, oh, this is the kind of SMS that I will receive. You see the message is equals to what, there, then it will reflect your the patient's name, your appointment with doctors, then it will reflect the doctor's name, then it's on so date, then it will reflect the appointment date, then at appointment time. Then kindly note that you are going to be in the waiting list. So it is going to be in the waiting list because he is not in the main appointment. Because if you are in the appointment, your distance, your appointment status will just be empty. But if you are if you are not in the appointment, your appointment will be pending. So the one that is, sorry, will be waiting. So the one that is in pending appointment will have this message there, your name, then appointment with doctor so is on so date. That's all. But for the person that is in the waiting list, he will be notify that he is under waiting list. He may be consulted when when the doctors finish the his all the testing appointments in time. So these are the basic things I think you basically need to know. So if you have any question, you may just simply ask me. I have a lot of things to do, so I think we don't have I don't know, we may not, me and you are do not have any time, maybe common time, that we are a little bit less busy. I have a lot of things to do. The only time I'm having is weekend. So, and I don't know how this in my next weekend is going to be. So I just think I have to just do the video for you so that you should just watch. Thank you very much for listening.